YouTube, what's going on? Lou here with my guy Quin.
Yo, what's up?
Today we're going to be reviewing the Social Status Air Jordan 6 All-Star. What other name they got?
Honestly, it's just an all-star Social Status collection and collaboration. They're really hard. For those that don't know, Social Status is a store, local boutique. We actually have many across the country. The home store being in Charlotte, just in time for All-Star Weekend. We got this collaboration with Jordan coming out. I don't know, man, it's really dope. I'm glad we actually got another Jordan. If you're not familiar, we had Jordan 1s maybe 2 years ago for Art Basel out in Miami. So,
That,
you know, it's a little...
the rust pink and the igloos. Very dope too.
Just in time, home team, you know, we got our own colorway, our own model. It's gonna be really nice. I like these.
Yeah, for me, just growing up in Charlotte, North Carolina, Social Status was like the only boutique that was giving us the heat and exclusive releases. So this means a little bit to me just as far as a Social Status release, just like Black Sheep releases. Anything that I can relate back to the city is really dope. But yeah, getting into the shoe, man, we basically got like the pony hair kind of texture.
Full cow.
Full cow.
Full cowhide.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's authentic. It's real cow fur. It's not artificial. It is real cow fur. Like they really went off on the details on this.
Yeah.
Like I don't think people understand. Like, cause the pictures, like, yeah, you can see in the pictures that it's like that it's pony hair looking, but like no, this is actual cow. It's that, I think it's what, leather on the inside, authentic leather on the inside.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
Yep.
This is my first time actually having the shoes in hand. Shout out to my guy plugging me with these, man. But yeah, this is crazy.
Had to bring them through.
The leather, and what we got here, this is just the...
This is, I think, the only part that's an imitation. It's supposed to be like an imitation, almost like a reptile skin, kind of like a snake thing.
Fire. So as far as performance, because the materials look good, they look pretty durable. You know, this isn't anything cheap at all. I mean, shoe retails at $250, correct?
Yes.
So how's the performance? Is it comfortable?
Yeah, I would say, honestly, this is probably the most comfortable Jordan I've had in a very long time.
Yeah.
I try to stay not too far away from Jordans, but like every now and then, you know, I get my 4s here, I get my 1s there, I get my 6s. This is probably one of the most comfortable Jordans I've had. From the liner on the inside down to like how the material moves on your toe, because people don't really understand like the material on the toe box kind of changes the way that your foot feels in the shoe. If you ever wear like Jordan 1s, you can kind of tell by the different leathers that they put on which ones are a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah.
This is no different.
Feature on the back, I see they didn't put the Jordan on there. It's a nice touch coming back with, got the infrareds coming out soon with the Nike on the back. It looks like we got some 3M behind the bubble of the wing of the 6.
Yep, trying to keep it true to like the OG 6 silhouette. You know,
I respect it.
3M been on the shoe since what, 91.
Looking inside the shoe, yo, it has an information tag. That's crazy.
Yep, I'm telling you.
It's crazy.
I'm telling you, bro. They skipped no detail, bro.
Yo, that's crazy.
There's no detail skipped on the shoe.
The shoe here contains real fur, fur type, dyed adult cow fur, fur origin, Brazil.
Yep.
I got a new appreciation for this Jordan 6. That is crazy.
We're not playing.
Yeah.
We're not playing.
This almost justifies the higher price tag now, you know?
Definitely. That's the thing,
dope.
like it's imported animal fur, bruh.
Yeah.
I can't tell you too many Jordans that have that.
Coming up the toe box, we got the laces all the way up to Jerple. Coming up from the toe box, we got the laces leading up to the purple graphic, the Jumpman logo that we're all familiar with. Black tongue, going to the bottom, more of the same what we're used to. Icy bottom, black sole, purple Jumpman. And yeah, it's just pretty much a dope 6 overall, man. I'm gonna be honest, before we started looking at the shoe, Quin was telling me about it, and I wasn't too much of a fan until just holding it a little bit, talking about the real furs they're using. You know, this is something that, from my experience, Jordan hasn't been doing. I mean, you get Jordan, sometimes you have the synthetic leathers, but the fact that they're using real animals on your shoe.
It's luxury.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
It takes it from the court to the crib, to say the least. You know, it's
fire.
They figured out a way to make it very minimal, but at the same time, very high end.
Yeah.
And I really think it does speak for the store and the boutiques and just our line of like our lifestyle as far as a company, you know?
Super fire. Appreciate you coming through, bro.
Man, I'm glad you had me coming through,
Absolutely,
bro.
man.
Definitely.
Coming with the good facts and information about the Jordan 6. We're gonna do something different, see how they look on feet. I know a lot of people in the comments have been asking, yo, what they look like on feet, how do they feel, how do they fit? So these are actually a size 12. You're true to size.
Yes.
And you would buy these true to
definitely,
size.
I would buy these true to size, definitely.
So yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah.
Definitely make sure you subscribe to get more content in the future. And big shout out to my man Quin for coming through with the exclusive pair. You guys can check his Instagram out in the bio below. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.